Want to save money and earn rewards while shopping? In this video, I will guide you to the best cashback apps for US shoppers. The first one is Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog lets you scan receipts from almost any store. Simply upload your receipt, earn coin and cash out via PayPal or Amazon gift card once you hit 1000 coins. Then there is Fetch Rewards, which personalizes offers based on your shopping habits, allowing you to earn points at grocery stores, drugstores, and even for hotel stays. Next one is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollar lets you earn cash back on Walmart purchases plus additional rewards for surveys and games. My Points rewards you for shopping at Amazon and any retailers offering points that can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Be Frugal offers some of the highest cashback rates, especially for electronics and clothing, with cashback reaching up to 40%. Top Cashback is ideal for travel-related purchases, offering significant savings on hotel bookings and flights. And that's it. Those are the best cashback apps for US shoppers. If this list helped you find a cashback app, tap like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.